¿Qué tal? Need help with those pesky Spanish R's? I'm Señora Hayes, multilingual professional educator and author of Fearless Foreign Language. A lot of new Spanish speakers struggle with rolling their R's. I'm here to help. For additional help on learning a language, any language, pick up the fun read Fearless Foreign Language at your favorite online bookseller. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you find value from this video. Thanks! So, let's get started. Place the tip of your tongue at the roof of your mouth. Now place it behind your top row of teeth. Finally, find a spot halfway between the roof of your mouth and the top row of your teeth. This halfway spot is where you need to keep your tongue. It's important to lightly point the tip of your tongue to this halfway spot. Do not let it touch the roof of your mouth. With the tip of your tongue in this halfway spot, keep the bottom part of your tongue, the part closest to your bottom jaw, stiff and rigid. Let the tip of your tongue relax. Again, relax your entire mouth except for the base of your tongue. Keep your tongue in just this position as you do the breathing explained next. Take a deep breath, so deep that your stomach expands outwards. Now, keeping your tongue exactly as I described earlier, exhale quickly, as if some jerk just punched you in the gut. Did you do it? Did you roll your R? If not, rewind this video and try again. Right now, each step is really important. With practice, you won't have to think about each step conscientiously, I promise. It may help to try gritting your teeth. You could also try making a kissy face. Either way, keep your tongue in place as described previously. If you did it, felicidades! Here are some great words for you to practice on.
Rápido, real, río. Rápido, real.
Yes, you always roll the R at the beginning of any word in Spanish. Always roll the double R in Spanish words as well. These are a little trickier to accomplish. Just keep practicing.
Carro, burro, birria.
Finally, take a shot at my favorite Spanish tongue twister. Rápido corren los carros del ferrocarril. Rápido corren los carros del ferrocarril. Rápido corren los carros del ferrocarril. Thanks for stopping by. Let me know in the comments how this technique for rolling your Spanish R's worked for you. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.